Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete Excel sheet page. We will access the Excel file. Here you will find the sheets of the workbook. After that, right-click on the sheet to delete, click on the delete option. This sheet will have been deleted in Excel. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.